Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install fender flares on your truck. This here is a 2017 Chevy Silverado. This Silverado has a 6-inch rough country lift on it, as well as some aftermarket 35-inch wheels. These flares came from rough country. They came in unpainted, however these flares have been sent out and professionally sprayed to match the truck. So the bolts don't actually go through the fender, they just go through the flare, they're just there just for looks. So the first step is to go around and install all these bolts in all the flares. Be sure not to over tighten these bolts because you don't want to pull the nuts through the plastic. We're going to install the rubber seal that goes around where the flare meets the fender. When installing the rear fender flare, all you're going to have to do is remove one bolt over here behind the wheel, and then grab your flare, line it up, and you're just going to put these clips, these little metal clips, in around the flare, wherever you see these holes. You're going to stick a clip like this in. Now that's done, we're going to reinstall the bolt that we pulled out in the first step. Now moving on to the front. The first step for the front is going to be to line up the fender flare. Make a note of which bolts you're going to have to unscrew. Now we remove the fender flare, unscrew the bolts that line up with holes in the fender flare. There's 2 holes above the wheel that don't line up with any original bolts. This is because you're going to have to install the brackets that came with the rough country flares and then mount the fender flares to those brackets. Finally, install the flares back onto the fender and put in all the screws. Don't forget about the clip that goes on the front of the flare. And the last step is to stand back and enjoy your new flares. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.